Dear students, once again welcome back to in this lecture. Now we will learn the continuation part of chapter number 7, Geography Human Settlement, part 2. In the figure 7.2a and b, you can see images of two settlements in Brazil. One is from Amazon River Basin in Brazil, while the other belongs to the coastal area. The earlier settlements in Brazil were formed by the settlers from Europe, mainly in the coastal areas. Now the settlements have developed and are densely populated. The major reasons of development are as follows. Although the coastal climate is hot and humid and flat land is limited due to rugged topography, the region has a good water supply and a large range of natural resources. For example, Sao Paulo. Sao Paulo has extensive area under rich soil which makes it ideal for growing coffee. It also has a large supply of natural minerals close by, such as iron ore, and it also has a steady energy supply. The southeastern area has a good transport system too. This makes the Sao Paulo area a nucleated settlement. Rural areas such as the Northeast Highland suffer from extreme drought, which make it difficult for practicing agriculture, and hence settlements are sparse here. Settlements become sparse as we move in toward the central part of Brazil. Here are some major reasons. First, area is covered by thick dense equatorial rainforest. Second, the climate here is unhealthy and unfit for settlements. Third, limitations on use and exploitation of natural resources. Fourth, poor transport links in the region. Urbanization in India. Now, what is urbanization? Urbanization refers to the population shift from rural to urban areas. Urbanization is taking place at a faster rate in India. Population residing in urban areas in India, according to 1901 census, was 11.4%. This count increased to 28.53% according to 2001 census and crossing 30%. As per 2011 census, it was 31.16%, which is quite low in comparison to developed countries. At the same time, the urban population is increasing. Expansion of the urban centers and emergence of new towns have played a significant role in the growth of urban population and urbanization in the country. Urbanization has been more in the southern part than in the northern part in India. Goa is the most urbanized state with 62% population living in urban areas. Delhi is more than 80% urban. In the state of Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Kerala, urbanization is more. Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Rajasthan are some of the states with low levels of urbanization. Urbanization in Brazil. Brazil is one of the few developing countries which is highly urbanized. Brazil's substantial urban growth process is unique and one of the underlying factors contributing to its present day rapid economic growth. Today, about 86% of Brazil population lives in an urban areas. Definition of urban is not very clear in Brazil. In Brazil, rapid urbanization happened mainly in the south and southeast, with Sao Paulo emerging as a major metropolitan and industrial area. Looking at this growth in few parts of the country, the government is promoting Go West policy, which will reduce the pressure on few areas where the population is concentrated and will reduce regional imbalance in the country. As you can see from the map, urbanization has occurred more in coastal states than the states in the interior of the countries. States like Sao Paulo, Goiás, Minas Gerais have more urban population than states in the north. As population is less in Amazon basin and Brazilian highlands, urbanization is also less. In this part, Manaus is a part on the confluence of Negro and the Amazon. Urbanization has occurred here.